We're here inside the Climatron at Missouri Botanical Garden, and it's a geodesic dome. It's a conservatory structure, and it's really a popular place, particularly at this time of the year when people are looking for some warm destination to go. They can come to the Climatron, which is a representation of a rainforest ecosystem. So we have a lot of different types of plants that you would find in rainforest in South America, Central America, and other parts of the world. Also within the Climatron, we have a lot of different plants that may be endangered in their natural environment. Matter of fact, we have 3 species that are extinct in their natural habitat. What we're doing today is we are pruning trees in the Climatron, and the reason we're doing that is because we need to reduce density of the canopy in order to allow for sunlight to fall on the underlying plants, and we're also pruning in order to control the size and the height of the plants so that they don't conflict with the glass of the Climatron. I think that what people don't realize about the plants in the Climatron is that if we didn't maintain them on an annual, regular basis, it would be completely overgrown, and virtually it would revert back to being a normal rainforest. So the Climatron at its highest point is 70 feet. Some of these trees that are growing inside the Climatron, in the wild, they could probably reach hundreds of feet. So we have a limited amount of space as far as overhead. We have a limited amount of space within the planting beds themselves. So it's important that the staff come in here and remove things as necessary and also prune things in order to keep them within an appropriate size for the conservatory. So if you take a look at the tree that Dan is pruning right now, when we are finished pruning that tree, there won't hardly be any foliage left on it. It'll just be stems up in the air that have been pruned to be well placed around the point at which they emerge. And by the end of the cycle, the tree will be almost as full as it is now. So the difference between pruning the trees in the Climatron compared to pruning the trees in landscape is that the trees in the Climatron don't have the same fibrous structure as trees out in the landscape, like a hardwood. These are tropical trees. They don't have the same sort of physiology as hardwoods that grow in the landscape. I think that what the Climatron offers to people living here in St. Louis is an opportunity to see an environment that is totally unfamiliar to them, someplace that they may not travel to at any point in their lives. I hope that you all have an opportunity to come out and visit the Climatron, see the work that we're doing here at Missouri Botanical Garden. You can get more information about the Climatron and our hours by going to mobot.org.